क्युरियस अकॅडमीमध्ये तुमचं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे. तर या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपल्याला बघायचं आहे की ट्रान्सलेशन आपण कसं करू शकतो. तुम्हाला 4 ऑप्शन्स दिलेले जातील आणि त्यापैकी एक तुम्हाला निवडायचं आहे आणि जाणून घ्यायचं आहे की नक्की ते ट्रान्सलेशन कसं आहे. सो आपण स्टार्ट करूया. सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज, तिच्या वयानुसार तिने कोणता विषय शिकायचा निवडला. ऑप्शन 1, इन विच फील्ड डिड शी रिसीव ट्रेनिंग इन हर लाईफटाईम. ऑप्शन 2, what kind of training did she have throughout her life. Option C, according to her age, what area of expertise did she gain training in. Option D, how many different areas did she receive training in. And the answer is C, according to her age, what area of expertise did she gain training in. Next, second, विद्यार्थ्यांना शैक्षणिक पाठ्यपुस्तके कधी वाचायला दिली जातात. Option A, when are students given academic textbook to read. B, when are students provided with academic textbook for reading. C, at what age are students introduced to academic textbook. And D, when is the schedule for students to read academic textbook. And the answer is A, when are students given academic textbook to read. Next, third, शिक्षकांनी काही कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला होता का आणि असल्यास समारंभाचे स्वरूप काय होते. So option A, how many events did the teachers organize and how many ceremonies were there. Option B, what was the total count of events organized by the teachers and what happened in the ceremonies. Option C, did the teachers arrange any programs and if so, what was the nature of the ceremonies. And option D, were there any events conducted by the teachers and if yes, what were the ceremonies like. And the answer is C, did the teachers arrange any program and if so, what was the nature of the ceremonies. Fourth, तुम्ही कोणत्या विषयाचा अभ्यास करत आहात. Option A, which subjects are you studying. Option B, which is your field of study. Option C, according to your age, which subject are you focusing on. Option D, which subjects are you currently studying. And the answer is A, which subjects are you studying. Question number 5, विद्यार्थ्यांनी ऑनलाईन शैक्षणिक साहित्य कसे वापरले. Option A, How did students use online educational materials? What was the purpose of students using online education resources? C. Did students find online academic content useful, and if yes, how did they utilize it? Fourth, were students able to access and use online educational materials effectively? And the answer is A. How did students use online educational materials? 6. कोणत्या वयोगटात विद्यार्थ्यांना विशेष सराव कार्यक्रमांद्वारे मदत केली जाते? Option A. In what age range are students provided assistance through specialized practice programs? B. What age group benefits from specialized practice programs designed for students? Option C. At what point in their academic journey do students receive support through focused practice program? D. How are students guided through tailored practice programs according to their age? And the options and the answer is A. In what age range are students provided assistance through specialized practice programs? 7th, शैक्षणिक प्रशिक्षणात अभियांत्रिकी विषयासाठी कोणत्या प्रकारच्या तज्ञाची आवश्यकता आहे? Option A. Which expert is essential in the field of engineering within academic training? Option B. What type of specialist is required for the subject engineering in educational training? Option C. Who is considered an expert in the domain of engineering for academic instruction? And option D. According to academic standards, who is crucial in the field of engineering education? And the answer is what type of specialist is required for the subject engineering in the educational training. 8. सकारात्मक अभ्यासाची दिनचर्या वाढवण्यासाठी विद्यार्थ्यांनी कोणत्या मार्गांनी मदत केली जाऊ शकते? Option A. How can students be assisted in establishing a comfortable learning routine? B. What methods can be employed to help students create an enjoyable learning practice? Option C. In what ways can support be provided to students for fostering a positive study routine? Option D. Are there any strategies to aid students in achieving a satisfying practice routine? And the answer is C. In what ways can support be provided to students for fostering a positive study routine? 9. शैक्षणिक उद्दिष्टांनुसार उत्कृष्टता हा शब्द विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी काय सूचित करतो? Option A. According to educational objectives, what does the term excellence signify for students? Option B. How is success defined among students in terms of educational goals? C. What is the standard definition of achievement for students based on educational aims? And D. When it comes to academics, what does the term superiority imply for students? And the answer. And the answer is A. According to educational objectives, what does the term excellence signify for students? 10. तुला किती वेळा मी हे सांगितलं आहे? समजत नाही का? ऑप्शन ए. हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स हैव आई टोल्ड यू दिस? डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड? ऑप्शन बी. 10th. तुला किती वेळा मी हे सांगितलं आहे? समजत नाही का? ऑप्शन ए. हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स हैव आई टोल्ड यू दिस? डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड? बी. हाउ मच टाइम्स हैव आई टोल्ड यू दिस? डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड? सी. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैड आई टोल्ड यू दिस? डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड? डी. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव आई tell you this? Don't you understand? And the answer is A. How many times have I told you this? Don't you understand? So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you like the video, and subscribe for more videos. You will get notification bell every time when we upload a video. So please subscribe. Thank you very much again for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.